In this video, I'm going to show you how to create images inside of Canva using the DALL-E app. So log into Canva, and then on the left-hand sidebar, you're going to click on the Apps tab. And then on the second column over, you're going to click AI Apps, or you can type DALL-E into the search bar. So we'll go ahead and do that. It's DALL-E. So here we go. We're going to click into DALL-E, which is the graphic interface for Chat GPT. So we're going to go ahead and use in a new design. Let's do a Facebook post. All right, we're going to just start from scratch. So here on the left side, it says start with a detailed description. So let's make an image of students at Nikki Coe's Tech Mansion for the Real AI Dynamics Boot Camp. Let's say photo realistic with a screen in the front and the Los Angeles skyline outside the window. All right, let's go ahead and click generate and see what DALL-E comes up with for us. Now, I really like DALL-E for logo design and simplistic designs. Cartoons are great in there. And I love to use Discord for more intricate photorealistic designs, fantasy stuff. So we're going to go ahead and click this right here, this picture on the left. That looks pretty great. Look at that. All right. The faces aren't looking so hot. So some of the people in here are not looking too good. So let's go ahead and generate again and see if it comes up with something better. Come up with the Los Angeles skyline. Let's do it through glass windows. And let's go ahead and generate again. And yeah, those faces don't look awesome. So I wouldn't really use DALL-E for photorealistic people, but Midjourney through Discord does a really great job of making people look super realistic. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of these people and we're gonna see what this looks like here. Whoa, that looks pretty good. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Now I want to actually make something different. Let's try to make a logo for a lemonade stand that is different than all others. It's called Squeeze Me. Okay, let's generate again. So DALL-E is pretty good at creating text, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it spells things wrong, but you can go into Canva and erase those and actually grab the text to delete that. And if something's really bad, you can always hire somebody on Fiverr to clean up your image. Okay, but I'll show you how to do some of that. Let's go ahead and add this over here to the design. Okay, that doesn't look so good. Let's make a logo stand logo. Maybe let's try it without any words and see how it does. You might get better outputs using Chat GPT DALL-E better than inside of Canva. I usually just go straight to the source for this type of work. But let's see what it comes up with here. Okay, these aren't looking so good, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a text grab because it's pretty powerful. Wow, that looks awful, actually. But we're going to go ahead and click on this and click the edit in the white bubble menu on the top. And on the right-hand side, there's Text Magic Studio. Click Grab Text. Takes it a minute to load. And then we're going to grab this text and click the purple grab button. And then it's going to highlight this. It may change the font, but that's okay. And then you can go in and change it. So that's pretty cool. That's a terrible logo, but at least you know how to do the text grab. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the magic erase also. So over on this left-hand side, you can click draw. You can actually get a marker. You can change the lines on the left, make it really big. We can make it white, and you can go in here and you can just go over top of all of the parts that you don't like. Or you can X out of the draw, and then you can click on the image. So the box, the purple box is around it, then click edit. We're going to go to the Magic Studio and we are going to click Magic Eraser. So then you can see how big it is. You can scale it up, scale it down, and then you can just go in and erase all of this stuff here. These are just some basic AI tools in Canva Magic, which are really powerful.